What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Starting with NEMX platform. So as mentioned yesterday, in my yesterday's video, if we had no double top or no bearish condition, means we are not going to enter the trade. We had no double top right here, but we had a pullback that was expected. But what to expect from it? So I'll be looking for two conditions. Now, number one, let this candle closed above this zone. As you can see, the daily candle right here, let this candle close above this major zone, which is 2.505 goes to 2.610. Once this candle is closed, we'll have a confirmation that price will now likely to push up, retest and start to push up towards the next big level and major level of resistance from where we can see some sort of reversal. So what to expect at this point? So at this point, as price just break above the new high and formed another anchor level, expect some pullback, which is very normal once we have a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. In that case, I'm going to go long. So only trend continuation, bullish trade, exact same condition. We took an entry right here, and now the price might form another condition right at this anchor level. Now we do have a price as a trend resistance right here. Price is resisting this trend line right here, right here. So once this price will break and close above this trend line, in that case, that is also a very strong signal that price will likely to push down, retest, and likely to push up to the next level of major resistance, which I want to mention in my upcoming video. For now, just look for the pullback entry bullish. We'll have a possible continuation towards the upside, the trend continuation. But if we have a big and deep pullback above 50 EMA, in that case, we have a very likely chance the price will likely to push up. Now we can also get a retest of 20 EMA. As you can see, 20 EMA is also acting as a good trend support. That is why we can still get an entry condition like bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA. Now this is just to give you a heads up, it is not a valid bullish engulfing entry according to my rules of entry pattern, but I'll be looking for the valid pullback entry once I see a good pullback above 50 or 20 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern. Once this zone is broken completely, then we can use this zone as a trend continuation bullish area from where we can look for the possible bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition. Next up, we have NEMX. Exactly the same. This trend line is resisting right here. The price is resisting this trend line again and again, and that means that we need to break above this trend line for the price to continue to push high. But for now, it will not stop me to take my pullback entry bullish as price just made a new high. If we have a pullback above 50 or 20 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long, and we have a very likely chance the price will likely to head higher to the next level of resistance. Now, I want to give you a heads up here, as we are still in the level of resistance. If the price forms some sort of strong bearish engulfing pattern within this zone, or a double top pattern within this zone, I will go for a little scalp, short-term sell trade. Could be a good and deep pullback, another buying opportunity above 50 EMA. If we have a bullish engulfer, in that case, I will go long from here. But I will definitely going to take my sell trade if I see a condition within this zone like double top or bearish engulfing pattern in this area, which is 2.406 goes to 2.522, an area from where I'll be looking for the possible scalp on 4-hour, on 1-hour time frame. Wish to enter sell trade on a way up, that is a condition I'll be looking at if we have a double top or bearish engulfing pattern, one of my sell signal in this area. I would like to see double top pattern looking at this zone. It is not a major but a minor level of resistance. Lastly, on Owanda, exactly the same, resisting this trend line, but I want to see if we have a next bearish engulfer. In that case, we have a very likely chance the price will fall just short term above 50 EMA. Bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long, and I'm keep on taking longs if the price is just making new higher highs with the pullback followed by bullish engulfer. So if we get a bullish engulfing pattern first above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing candle, I'm going to go long first. If you have a bearish engulfer here first, I'm going to go short first in that case. So keep looking for conditions. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now in the process of a pullback and retracement. Now, again, like I mentioned yesterday, either a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA or 50% retracement is an area from where I would like to enter aggressively. That is an aggressive but a risky trade. In that case, I keep my stop loss below and take profit 1-to-1 initially, but you can also use a smaller target using 1 ATR below and 1 ATR above for your stops and targets. Or you can manage it to 2 ATR by keeping 1 ATR your stop loss. So that's what I'll be looking at, either aggressive entry or pullback entry bullish. Now, if we have a good and strong push down, let's say we have a news event, which is a dollar event, I'm expecting in a couple of days, interest rate decision that can likely to push price dramatically down. If they raise the interest rate decision, in that case price will fall from here to this area from where we can see another buying pressure from where the price will likely to head high. So that's why I'm looking at fundamentals as well if we have that move. So keep looking for that, but even though we have fundamentals, I'll still look for my entry condition. After a fall, I want to see bullish engulfer or double bottom entry pattern. Next up we have silver. Silver is now about to hit a level of major resistance, which is right up there. 31.27 goes to 32.01 from where I will looking to enter my sell trade like bearish engulfers, a double top entry pattern. And until we are not in this zone, I'm not looking for sell trade. For now, if we have a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern, I'm going to go long as my pullback entry bullish, or 50% retracement could be my buy limit order. Take profit till this zone, stop loss can be below. I'll go 1-to-1 initially. So buy only till we are here and sell from this zone. Lastly, we have crude oil. It's nicely broken above. If you remember in my yesterday's video, I've said that wait for the break above this box. Once we are broken above, either aggressively enter, or once we are broken above, look for the good pullback. If you have a signal above 50 EMA or we are broken above this box, we are in buy. For crude oil, it is must that price break and close above this box. Once we have a close of a solid candle, close is important. In that case, price will likely to head higher to this level above, which is our break itself will be a confirmation that price will likely to push up. And right here we have a break above and price is now pushing higher and heading towards a next level of trend continuation. Major area was a minor area but has turned to be a major zone at this point. 72.24 goes to 73.35 from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation. Inverted amos 3-2 candles bearish is also one of my reasons to enter sell trade, but a risky entry in that case. For now, as we have broken over 50 and 20 EMA, we might see a pullback, and with that, if you have an EMA cross, in that case that will be a very strong buy signal. But I'll be looking for the pullback entry bullish, even though we have a cross or not till this zone from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with one of the bearish conditions. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.